Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register your Regence BlueShield insurance account, online guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Regence BlueShield's official website. Once the home page loads, look for the login option, typically located at the top right corner. Click on the login button. On the login page, find the register or create an account link and click on it. You will be redirected to the registration page. Fill in your personal information as required, including your name, date of birth, and email address. Make sure to create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Review the terms and conditions presented on the screen. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Next, you may be asked to verify your identity. Follow the prompts to enter your insurance information, such as your member ID or policy number. Provide any additional information requested, like your address or phone number. Once you have entered all necessary details, review the information for accuracy. Click on the Submit or Finish button to complete your registration. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. Check your email for the confirmation message and follow any additional instructions provided. Once confirmed, return to the Regence BlueShield homepage. You can now log in using your new account credentials. Congratulations, you have successfully registered your Regence BlueShield insurance account online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.